Welcome. In this video, I will demonstrate a magic portal feature, which is an AI feature on your HONOR X7d, and I will show you how you can use it in many different ways. So Magic Portal itself uses AI to recognize text, images, and links, and then suggests relevant apps or actions based on what you're looking at. All you have to do is drag that content to the side of your screen, and Magic Portal will handle the rest automatically. You can customize it by opening Settings, going to HONOR AI, and selecting Magic Portal feature, and now to customize it, select Custom Services and then add some services from your apps list, which you can use for AI recognition purposes. For example, you can add shops, browsers, social media if you want to share messages, or maps to search for the address. And the address is the first feature I wanted to show you. So for example, you get a message from your friend like this, and you want to search for this address that they sent you. What you have to do is select this part of the text and then hold your finger on it and drag it to the side of your screen and move down until you find Maps. And now just wait until the AI does everything for you. So this way you can easily get the directions to the address that you're looking for. Now the other example is sending an image to the shopping app. So for example, let's say that you've seen this photo of the sneakers that you liked, but you don't know the exact model name, or you want to directly go and start shopping for it. In such case, just knuckle your screen and draw a circle around the object you want to select, or just hold your finger down on the object. But let me just hold the phone in my hand because I cannot navigate. You can also adjust the selection like this, and then just select the shopping application that you have on the side of your phone. Or if you want to simply look for the model name, then do the same thing and search the image using Google. And as the Google suggests us that this is a pair of Adidas Gazelle shoes in black and white. Now the other way is, for example, if you're looking for some object's name, maybe what it is and what are the meanings behind this object. Just like this, hold your finger down on an object or on a photo, then drag it to the side of your screen and select once again Google. And the Google will tell you what this image stands for. And in this particular case, it's the logo of our YouTube channel. And here you have the multiple suggestions with our videos and other similar looking logos, I think. Now the next way that you can use this feature is to translate things. Now I'm not sure if I added the translator to the apps list that I can use, though if you want to translate something real quick, you just have to select the text that you want to translate. Once again, hold your finger down on it and drag it to the side of your window, and then find the translation app you want to use. For example, Google Translate, and it will translate everything for you immediately. Now, what about the other possible uses? You can also send messages into ride-hailing apps, or drop links into your notes, and basically Magic Portal adapts to the content that you're using, making multitasking smoother than ever. So I hope that you liked this feature, and I hope that you learned something new about how it works and how you can use it. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.